Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashi and this is our copper look. Copper is one shade that goes with every skin tone, fair, dark, medium, dusky, wheatish, any skin tone, and it's one of the best suited shades for Indian skin tone. So I created this glamorous copper eyes for you with a hint of glitter, but you can also avoid the glitter part and you will know how and still look absolutely glamorous. If you like the lip shade, then you have to keep watching to find out which shade and brand it is. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, find me on Instagram Rashi Sopti Makeup, and now let's start this look. To moisturize my face, I'm going to use the CS Essential Skin Treat Face Oil guys, और इसमें argan oil and marula oil है. अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत ड्राई है तो आप ऐसे ऑयल्स यूज़ कर सकते हो बिफोर मेकअप, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू यूज़ देम 15 मिनट्स बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर मेकअप, ताकि तब तक वो ऑयल एब्जॉर्ब हो चुका और आपके सरफेस पे ना हो. जस्ट गोना टेक 2 ड्रॉप्स, ज़्यादा नहीं. So this oil also acts like a primer. Generally face oils primer के लिए भी work कर लेते हैं, तो I'm not going to use any primer today. Straight move towards the concealing, and for that I'm using my DFD from the Camouflage Cream Derma Color by Kryolan. Time for foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless.
सब्जी वाला.
To highlight my under eyes, I'm going to use the shade D4 from the Kryolan palette again. My shade to contour and the shade to highlight, like everything in one palette. Life has become so easy. I'll bake my under eyes, and for that I'm going to use the banana powder by Makeup Revolution. And baki powder se I'm just quickly going to set the rest of my base. Time to contour, and I'm going to use my NYX bronzer, my Janam Janam का साथी. और इस bronzer और मेरा रिश्ता ऐसा हो गया कि ये कब्र में मेरे साथ जाएगा. मतलब I'm going to die with the contour. Let's get rid of this excess powder, वरना आपके आई के नीचे बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाएगा. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette, the Golden Sands. And इसके लिए I'm just going to use my beauty blender, dab it on my highlighter, and that's it. क्योंकि highlighter बहुत ज़्यादा strong है, मुझे लगता है कि brush से लगाने में ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही लग जाता है. So with the beauty blender, ये काफी बेटर रहता है. For blush, I'm going to use my Coral by Bobbi Brown. So my base is ready, guys. Now I can straight away move on to my eyes, but before that, the makeup fixer. So since this look is kind of super glam, because you know we're going to play with copper and glitter, so I want मेरे brows as थोड़े made up लगे. They should look like they've been like really properly done with makeup. I don't really want the natural finish today. So for that I'm going to use the Ka-Brow Benefit, and the shade that I'm going to use is number 6.
अरे इससे अलग अपनी बेइज्जती भी करा सकते हैं अपने ब्राउज की पब्लिक में. ऐसा लग रहा है मेरी ये वाली ब्राउ मेरी इस ब्राउ पे हंस रही है.
So my brows are done. And today I'm going to be using this palette, Violet Voss ka Holy Grail. It's a very old palette, guys, and a lot of professional makeup artists love using this. They have used it in their career at one point of time, I'm sure. So it's a copper look, and it does have a lot of copper and brown shades here. So I'm going to be using brownie points, Bestie on my crease, and on Fleek to fill the center of my lid. So I'm taking Bestie first and applying it all over my. Now I'm going to take brownie points from the same palette. So I am bringing this brown color till the inner corner, but मैं बाहर ज़्यादा concentrate कर रही हूँ और पूरा brush like उतना thick अंदर apply नहीं कर रही. If you can see, I'm applying more towards outside and then I just apply it 1-2 times, just 1-2 strokes in between here. I'll take the same brownie points again and I'm going to apply it under my lower lashes. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this shade on fleek on my wet brush, and like you've seen here, I'm going to apply it on the center of my lid, and thoda sa I'm going to actually start it from the inner corner. So we're not going to take it outside, just in the first half of your lid. तो मैं यही शेड को अपने लोअर लैशेस पे भी खाली इनर कॉर्नर की तरफ लगाऊंगी. आई एम नॉट गोना टेक इट पीछे तक, सिर्फ आगे आगे, लाइक दैट. सो ऑनेस्टली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इतना जितना हमने अभी तक किया है इस पे. बट आई वांट टू टेक इट लाइक अ स्टेप फर्दर. लाइक आई सेड, आई वांटेड टू लुक लाइक गुड कॉपर ग्लिटरी आईज. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक सम प्रेस ग्लिटर from this palette, Huda Beauty palette, और इसमें यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही beautiful copper shade है by the name of Excite. It's a pressed glitter. So I'm just going to apply very little of it. But आप ये step बिल्कुल avoid भी कर सकते हैं if you think you like it the way it is. Now it's time for my kajal and my liner, and मैं एक बहुत ही thin सा wing liner बनाऊंगी. And I'm going to do a थिक लाइनर एंड थोड़ा सा उसको स्मच करेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी अप्लाइड दिस कॉपर शेड बिलो माई आईज एंड मैं नहीं चाहती कि वो ज़्यादा ब्लैक हो जाए. सो जस्ट लाइक थोड़ा सा काजल एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्मचिंग, दैट्स इट.
हेलो, कहाँ पे हैं भैया? My makeup package is here.
Now it's time for my mascara on both my upper and lower lashes, and I'm also going to apply some false lashes. Mascara that I'm using is a Superfine by Smashbox, and it's one of the best mascara, guys, I've ever used. My lashes are done and I have worn these really extra large lashes today, but I think they're looking very pretty. मुझे कभी कभी lashes अच्छी लगने लगी हैं, you know, बड़ी lashes. Otherwise I prefer very light lashes, but I think on some eye looks these kind of lashes do justice. Time for lipstick. I'm gonna apply this beautiful shade that I just got from Nykaa, guys. The pink sale was on and I ordered the Malvika Setlani's collaboration with Smashbox, and the shade that I have here in a mini, but it's beautiful, is Driver's Seat. It's like a coral, dark coral, light coral, depends on how many layers you apply, but in sunlight it's different, in indoor light it's different. So this is what I'm going to apply with this look. I think it's going to be perfect for it. So my makeup is complete, guys. Let me just come back with the final look. That's my final look, guys. I hope you like it. I absolutely love this look. You know, beautiful copper and this beautiful lip shade by you know, Smashbox. Driver's Seat, I think, has really done its job. It's a beautiful combination, and I would actually suggest you, my next video is actually going to be a few swatches that I'm going to do for you from the best of Smashbox shades for Indian skin tone. So keep a lookout on that. And how did you find this look? Please leave your comments below, and find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup. Subscribe, share, like, you know what you have to do, and come back very soon. I'll see you soon.